SparkanautsTV.
What's that? What's that? Give me that! Give me that! Ooh, I've got feathers! I love feathers! Hello everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Sparkanauts TV! And what do I have on my hands? Exactly! These are feathers! And today, the letter that I have has something to do with feathers. Can you guess what letter it is? It is the letter F. F for feathers. And I have my big letter F over here. And I would like to sing this with you. But before that, everybody bite on your lower lip and blow through it. Because that's the sound F made. Can you try it again? Good job everybody! Let's sing capital F together. Are you ready? Here we go. One line going down, two across next. That is how you make big F, F, F. One line going down, two across next. That is how you make big F. Do you hear it? That's exactly how you make big F. Bite on your lower lip and blow through it. Good job everybody! Now this time, I have little f over here. Little f looks like a candy cane because it has a curve right on top. Shall we sing little f together? Gotcha! Here we go! Candy cane cross for small f. Candy cane cross I know. Candy cane cross for small f. Strumming on the old banjo and singing P5 fiddle-I-O. P5 fiddle-I-O. P5 fiddle-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo. And that is little f, the one that looks like a candy cane. Very good job everybody. This time we are going to look at nouns beginning with the letter F. Don't forget, nouns are what you can see and what you can touch. Here we go. I've got the frog. Frog. Now everybody, let's make the sound of a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Very good. That's a slimy green frog. Friends. Friends, I would love to say to my friends over there, hi everybody! And that's me saying hi to my friends. Flamingo, flamingo, foot, foot. Now at the count of 3, I'm going to show you my flying foot. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, hiya! Oh, did you see my flying foot? Now I would like to take a look at your flying foot. Let's kick together. 1, 2, 3, hiya! Very good job! That's my foot! Fireworks! Fireworks! Would you like to listen to the sound of fireworks? Here we go. Shoo! Boom, 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 boom! Shoo! Boom, boom, boom! And don't forget to cover your ears! Because the fireworks can be really loud. And there you have it, nouns beginning with the letter F. This time, I would want to show you my verbs beginning with the letter F. Don't forget, verbs are action words. Here we go. Fly like a falcon. Fly like a falcon. All you falcons out there, show me your wings. Let's fly. Fly like a falcon. Fight the flames. Fight the flames. Let's take a look. Fire! We need to call the fire engine and the firefighter. And now we take our hose and help them fight the flames. Feed the fishes. Feed the fishes. Fold the flag. Fold the flag. Now help me out everybody. Let's fold the flag down. Fold the flag. Freeze the fruits. Freeze the fruits. Now let's take a look at my fruits. They are frozen. So when you bite it, woo, very cold. My frozen fruits. Okay, and there you have it, verbs beginning with the letter F. Today, I've got a special friend, Mr. Fox. Very good job, everybody. Time to grab hold of your marker. We are going to write big F together. One line going down, two across next. Let's practice that. One straight line down, stop, and two lines across. One in the top, one in the middle. One more time. Straight line down, one at the top, one in the middle. And there you have it, capital letter F. Now, we're going to do it with our magic fingers. So take out your fingers and we are going to write it in the air together. One line going down, good, and two across, up and in the middle. One more time. One line going down, stop. At the top, let's go across, and in the middle, across. Very good job, my friends. Now let's take a look at my frog. Goes the little green frog. One day, goes the little green frog. Let's help Mr. Frog, shall we? Take out your markers. Let's draw a candy cane. That's really easy. Make a curve at the top and go all the way down, and then a small line across. Let's try that again. A curve at the top, all the way down, and a line across. Ta-da! And that's how you make small F. Let's try it in the air together. Everybody, magic fingers out. Put it at the top, curve, all the way down, and a line across. One more time. Curve, all the way down, and a line across. And that's how you make small F. Very good job, everybody. I hope you had lots of fun on this episode. See you next time.